This is the JAHJAH Foundation annual summer cruise. We cruise for a cause and we party for a purpose. And I want to thank all the supporters, all the folks who came on board here to make sure that we're able to do what we want to do in Jamaica. It's a big commitment on their part and we really appreciate it. And we're going to make sure that their fundraising dollars go to Jamaica and make a difference in the life of someone who's less fortunate. So thank all those people who were able to support this boat ride. Unfortunately, some people couldn't make it because of family issues, deaths, illness in the family. But your heart, our heart is with you at this time. We want to thank all the supporters, all our sponsors, and big up the original dumpling shop, who's our sponsor this year. Colin and Susie from out of the Bronx, New York, on Baychester Avenue, 3435 Baychester Avenue. They stepped up big time to support the JAHJAH Foundation, and we appreciate it. I want to thank all our volunteers. Some of them are here, and some of them had to work. And we want to thank everyone. And we're going to have a beautiful boat ride. We have a beautiful Majesty boat ride. There's over 750 people on this particular boat ride, and we're grateful for the support. Thank you. One love, JAHJAH Foundation.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, whether you're Jamaican or you're non-Jamaican, it doesn't matter. We're one blood, and we're here for one cause right now. If we're here for that cause, let me see you wave this rag right now. If you're here for that cause right now, and if you what JAHJAH Foundation is doing, if you respect what JAHJAH Foundation is doing right now, everybody, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip my wings so that I can't fly out.
See that, see that.
But when we there, yeah,
one love, one love. If you believe in love, if you believe in love, one blood, one people, unity is strength, united we stand, divided we fall. If you believe in love, live, live, live.
Jamaica love.
Wicked genius, have you seen us? Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a joke. We're here for a cause. This is not a joke thing. Give it up for Dr. Dixon right now and the entire JAHJAH crew. The entire JAHJAH crew.
Jamaica, me not sell out.
Yes,
Them
indeed.
try clip my wings so that we can't fly out.
If you're feeling the
But when we
love,
there, yeah, nothing nice like
if you're feeling the
Jamaica.
love,
Banana.
yes, indeed.
Under the tree, with a glass of lemonade.
Live.
Jumping on the river,
Live. See that? Yes,
no one
Live.
can buy me out.
Live.
Foreign minded, no
Live.
one compared to Jamaica. Jamaica love. We wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love.
Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me say she tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself.
Hold on there. This is not where we get crazy. This is not where we get crazy. We're up into this. We're up into this. That's where we get crazy. Salute.
Eternal Father, We are alive.